We have relocated the front camera of the Xiaomi Redmi 6 Pro phone to the top earphone jack position. Let's give everyone a close-up demonstration. After the modification, all functions of the phone are normally usable. It's a non-destructive modification. Click the background recording button. The recording has started. You can also press the power button to lock the screen. The recording will still be in progress. Now we will do some simple actions for later verification. Click the button again to exit the background recording mode. Open the main program, click on the file, and check if the screen just now has been captured. This phone offers great value for money, supporting video shooting at 1080p 30 fps with a clearer real effect.